In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho projects. By the end, you will have a new project created and at least one task added with an owner and a due date. Go ahead and sign in to your Zoho projects portal so you can follow along. First, you will set up your project. Look to the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This area is where all of your projects live, so it is the best place to start any new setup. Once you are on the Projects page, move to the upper right corner and select New Project. This opens the project creation form where you define the basics. Now fill in your project details. Start by entering a clear project title. Choose a name that makes it easy for your team to recognize at a glance, especially if you manage multiple projects. Next, set your start date and end date. Even if the dates are estimates, adding them helps Zoho projects organize timelines and keeps everyone aligned on expected timeframes. After that, select a project layout. Layouts can change what fields and sections are available, so choose the one that best matches how you plan to track work. Then set the project privacy. You will see options for private or public. Private means only invited members can access the project, which is helpful for internal work or restricted initiatives. Public means all portal users can see the project, which can be useful when many people across your organization need visibility. Choose the option that fits your collaboration needs. Once your project is created, you are ready to add tasks. Return to the left sidebar, click Projects again, and select the project you just made. At the top navigation bar inside the project, click the Tasks tab. This is where you will create and manage the work items your team will complete. In the top right, click Add Task. Type a clear task name that describes the deliverable or action. After the task appears in the list, click the Owner field on that task row and select the team member responsible. Assigning an owner right away prevents confusion and helps accountability. Finally, click the Start and Due Date field to set the timeline and deadline. Keeping due dates realistic will make tracking progress much easier. That covers everything you need to know.